Boy calls police after mum eats his ice cream. That's ridiculous. Unless it's cookies and cream, in which case take her straight to isolation. Some paranormal demonic reptilian stuff going on here. You had me at some. Well, that's unsettling, and I wasn't talking about Lady Gaga. Is it an option to just not talk in your videos now? So much wasted effort. That is unsettling. So this is from her latest performance of a song in concert in the UK, I think. I made no effort to research Lady Gaga because I'm not a 12-year-old girl. Called me old-fashioned, but whatever just happened to Eric Clapton with a guitar. On release of this online under the official video, a lot of people started to notice that at one point her eyes went really weird. People are commenting demonic or monstrous. What's going on with her eyes? The eye effect is so dope. How did she do that? I don't know. Eyes are not my strong point. Can you please tell me what the heck is going on with her eyes? The internet, everyone. I don't know how she did that, but if it is a live performance, then it can't have been special effects. Maybe it was painted on her eyelids and she shut her eyes. Is that a thing? I do it when I'm driving, so maybe. I would sell my soul to experience seeing Lady Gaga perform Replay live at Chromatica Ball again. You need a hobby, Stephen. So I went down this rabbit hole, and she frequently dresses as the devil in her shows, and then very recently, she performed on Saturday Night Live's satanic SNL skit with Lady Gaga slammed by viewers. So there she is on the right. Let's just say that I won't be rushing to buy tickets to see a Lady Gaga concert. There is a new clip of the infamous Jellyfish UFO that was first publicly reported as being seen in Iraq. This one has stumped a lot of people. This new sighting was also in Iraq from the 21st of March 2025. Corporate pilot, we saw something very similar on our way to the Hamptons at 6,000 feet a few years ago, past just below us to our left. Never registered our TCAs. Okay, that looks like the Jellyfish UAP. That video, which was taken very recently, is creating a real stir online. What do you think that could be? On March 18th, 2025, the profile Coco Songs uploaded this video where she claims to have seen an orb-like object come out of the sea at Daytona Beach, USA.
Oh my! What the? Can't see mine. What is it doing?
No,
oh, I can't.
recording it.
I can't do it.
They flying around. There's 2 lines now.
Oh, it's flying around it. It's flying around it.
There's 2 lines now.
It's so many of them.
My heart is beating.
Okay, hold on. Okay, let me get off here.
My heart coming out my chest right now, bro.
The idea that alien craft base themselves underwater is an extremely popular one. We cannot see this object come out of the water, but that other object to the right does look like one of those drones. Could this be another orb drone sighting?
They circling. That it came out of the ocean. That is not a moon, and it is not a sun. It's 10 o'clock at night. I seen it come out of the ocean, y'all.
So I showed this video a few months ago. and I made the helpful comment that aliens were looking for a Wi-Fi signal, but I've since found what it was. It was from 2023, and it was SpaceX, which is Elon Musk's space company that make rockets and so on. Reaction control system firing thrusters to control the orientation of a Falcon 9 first stage. So there is a logical answer, which is good to have sometimes when you see these weird things in the sky, as not everything online is an alien craft, unfortunately. And the reason for explaining that is there have been some similar clips going viral recently that I want to show you. Huge swirling spiral appears in skies above Doncaster, 25th of March 2025. Before we get to the video, there are a lot of people that saw it. There are a lot of pictures of it as well as video. Here is a video.
It's making a noise.
There's a light coming up behind it.
I was just going to say, what's that behind it that's following it?
And it's just,
Kind of
whoa,
black.
it's split into two, that.
What did?
That light that were following it.
Is it?
And there's light circling around it.
Oh yeah, I can see it. Yeah, the one above left.
That is very weird, that.
Is it? I don't know what about
Yeah.
it. So that one on the left is moving and that one on the right is moving.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
You can see why that shocked people. Here is another photo of it. Some people are saying it's a portal. It was also seen in Croatia. Here is one possible explanation. Did you see a strange spiral cloud in the sky last night? It was likely a SpaceX rocket, says the UK Met Office. Boring. The rocket's frozen exhaust plume appears to be spinning and reflecting the sunlight, causing it to appear as a spiral in the sky. Sure enough, a SpaceX Falcon 9 launched at 0148 ET on 24th of March from Cape Canaveral in Florida, USA. So that seems to be the consensus amongst the media. But hold your horses, Batman. People saying it's Falcon 9, but Grok, which is X's AI, said it wouldn't have been possible to see it from the UK. The plot thickens. There are more videos of alleged portals I found, and these things do look strange.
Ah, bro. Yo. There's something in there, look. Yo, what blinking? Yo, look at this blinking. It's definitely some top one. Sorry, bro.
This eyewitness is convinced that this site was not SpaceX.
That's what the f is that? Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! What is it? Oh my! It's open on my soul. I'm loud as. Oh my! It just started opening out of nowhere, and now. Nah, and it's not a plane, bro. Do you see lights around it? Yes. What the? Oh my! It's not a plane.
What are those lights around it? And to end, there is an interesting channel called Scanner Guy 1968. He basically points high quality cameras at the sky, and due to the lack of light pollution where he lives in Wisconsin, he's able to see so many wonderful things in the sky. He's not a UFO guy. In his videos, he shows satellites, comets, meteorites. He clearly labels them as that. So it's important to note that this guy is not looking for UFOs. Like Rachel Ziegler's career, you know where this is heading. But in this one video, what he described as an orb passed through his shot. In amongst what I think are satellites and other explainable sights, a light so much brighter than anything else in the sky can be seen. That is a common trait for orb sightings. They are just so bright. It then disappears. I mean, that is some pretty fascinating footage, especially considering it's in high quality and that this channel is just not a UFO channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.